Many of you are going to college within few days or have already reached to a college. In this video, I'll give you some of the tips for college students who are going to the college for the first time so that your college life will be successful, colorful and meaningful. So hello everyone, my name is Suborno and I'm a final year BTech student at NIT Andhra Pradesh. And if you haven't still subscribed this channel, then do subscribe. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, डोंट ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट योर थॉट्स। आप में से काफी सारे लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको कोडिंग बहुत पसंद है या कोई कोर सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग ऐसे सब्जेक्ट बहुत पसंद होते हैं और उनको लगता है कि उनको जो अच्छा लगता है वो बस उसी में एक्सेल कर सकते हैं और वो उसी चीज में बिजी हो जाते हैं। दे डोंट केयर अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स लाइक डू यू नो गाइस, इवन आफ्टर योर बीटेक यू कैन गो टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स लाइक सम कंपनीज सम फॉर फाइनेंस, कंसल्टेंसी, मार्केटिंग, सेल्स, टीचिंग, एनालिटिक्स and different kinds of jobs. Most of the people don't know about these jobs. They just focus on their interest and after the completion of third year they just get puzzled and some of them even don't get placed. Try different things and after that whatever you like go to that, but don't just get abstract to your interest from the starting itself. Build your connections, come out of your room, just make friends, get in touch with your seniors both of your college and of other colleges. You know that I didn't even apply for any internship but still I got 3 offer letters of internship from 3 different companies through my seniors from my college and from 2 other colleges, so I can get access to anything very easily if I have good connections with other people. And also make sure that you have connection with your juniors also because they might also help you in different things. Discover interest and develop skills. Most of the people don't even improve their skills. They don't participate in any clubs, activities or fest. When I was in the second year, I first time joined an association and there I came to know about graphic designing, and that club only taught me how to do graphic designing and I learned the graphic designing from there and I started doing work on that and today I'm doing great in that field. Improve your communication skills. So many of you are from different states, so if you are going out of your state then it is very good because you will be mostly speaking in English or Hindi, but the people who studies in their home state they mostly avoid speaking in other languages other than their mother tongue. So it's very bad thing because when you will be in the corporate sector you will be doing jobs, so there will be people throughout India, so how do you communicate with them? So you need to improve your communication skills. Start speaking in English from the beginning itself so that it will be helpful for you during the interview as well. Build your resume and professionalism from the first year itself because it will be helpful during your placement season or the interview process or whatever you do in your future. Participate in competitions, quizzes and projects, hackathon. You will get lot of confidence and you will get to meet many people from whom you will get so much ideas that will help you to grow in your life. Maintain a good CGPA. There will be many people who will be telling you that no need to study and the CGPA doesn't even matter, but it is a false thing. Actually, when you apply for internship, if you are applying in the core departments, then the CGPA is the main criteria for selection. Do the assignments, presentations and projects by yourself. There are many people who cheat. They just want to get more marks, that's why they make their things by the AI or ChatGPT or some other software, but this is a very bad thing because when you do it by yourself you get to learn many things, how to use different tools and how to write, that will help you in the future. The last one is take your own decision carefully. Now you are in the college, so no one is going to register you, so whatever decision you take, that is your own decision. Your parents are not going to look at you. Take decision carefully, just don't go here and there, don't roam randomly, stay focused in your goals. So that's all for today. I hope you get it helpful. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
Get it, comma and a comma, gotta get it, and this a ticket talking Mazda for the